So there are many glitches in Fortnite, if you don't know. And there's a new glitch with the Iron Man mythics, and one where you can instantly fly, and another one, well, you can get some flying like this, like you see right now in this clip. And so I decided to test it out, and unfortunately, I don't know if I did it wrong, but I feel like the infinite flying glitch is patched because I went into Battle Lab and I couldn't do it at all. But anyways, I ended up getting a win with these like glitches, like for no, like I don't even know how, but I like got into circle, another guy died because he couldn't get into circle. Anyways, just enjoy the video. Like it was really fun. We just trolled a bunch of kids and we tried to like win just flying around with the OP glitch. Anyways, hope you enjoy and peace. Oh my god, there's actually someone here. There's a character. Let's get this guy. I mean, we still need to find the mythic. Oh, because he's a bot. I mean, he did pretty good. He built a lot, but like, anyways, just try and find the. We need the mythics for the video. We need content. But like, first of all, we gotta heal up and. But yeah, so I got the crash pads, and now we just need to find the Iron Man mythic to do this glitch. For some reason, my recording stuff didn't. This guy right here. So watch. Watch it play. Let's go. Oh, here the mythics. Let's go. There's someone else here. I don't want to lose. I don't want to die here. I know starting to was hack. This guy seems like a bot, kind of. To be honest. You know what? First of all, just get the mythics. What am I doing? Let me just get these. Oh, let's look at one. Okay, where did this guy go? Oh, what the? Oh, watch this. You shouldn't even shoot me, oh my god. Okay, that's not what we're trying to do here. Okay, what kind of... You know, I'll drop this card, because this glitch is really OP, so we don't even need this card. Alright. So we'll try and set this up. So I have my 2 items that I need. And so first you gotta place a crash pad here. And then you fly like this. And you hover over it, and then... Okay, that's not what's meant to happen. Let's do that one more time. Okay, so we hover over. Okay, the zone's actually coming, so I actually need to do this properly. Don't bring it to the tree! Oh my god, I actually did. Oh, it worked, Like, this is what I made. Like, you can get infinite, like, not infinite, but like, you can just fly, like, just yeet yourself out of a situation. So like, okay, there's people here. I don't have an AR, I should have picked up this card. Let's try this. Nah, it's not gonna reach anyways. This guy's this guy's definitely a bot. Oh, I don't want... I mean, sometimes bots are fun to play against, but... Like, not now, because I need reactions. Oh my god, this guy's really a bot. At least the Groot was not a bot. He's just, like, a bad player. Okay. Okay, someone's actually coming in close. This is another bot? Are you kidding me? I think they got to look a lot, but no. See, when I like doing a challenge video, you guys give me sweats, but when I wanted to get reactions, Fortnite gives me this. Oh god, the zone. The zone! Oh no. Oh god, no. Oh, I made it just in time. Oh my god. The big blue purple thing is right there. Oh, it's actually right there. You hover, Iron Man, save me! No! I have to take damage. I'm inside the big purple thing. Storm. Yes, I can't speak English. Oh god, there's someone. Oh, it's a bot. Okay. Oh my god, these things only do 20 damage. I mean, it's already OP, but 20 damage is literally nothing. Those are my Stark robots. Okay, this guy's also seems like a bot. I'm just gonna get all the loot. Get all the loot. This guy doesn't seem like a good player. If he's a real player though, I kind of wanna... Nah, he's definitely not. That's not what a real player would do. Yeah, okay, just another bot. Woo! He's doing the sweat skin, even though he's a bot. The Mongol, whatever it's called. Ooh, that was clean, kind of. Right. we only have 3 cars. Oh god, oh god, oh god, why won't I let it go? Oh god, okay, well, not 3, I was gonna say 3 crash pads, but now we're at 3 HP. So that's very good. Okay, this guy's actually a loser. There's a medkit there, I'm gonna die. Start robots, help me. I'm gonna for the medkit. Oh, there's one right there. Okay, let me use this. Okay, actually. Okay. Okay, I need to use medkit. You know, what am I doing? I need math. Okay, this guy's pushing me now. But he doesn't know that I healed up. Oh wait, this shoots the builds. Oh, let's go. Is that okay? This guy doesn't seem like the best builder, bro. Okay, I was gonna say his aim is okay. He's actually not bad with his aim. Builds are not good. I need to heal up again. Who's the guy here? Let's. You know what? I'll do a crash. He doesn't seem like a real player, so let's do the crash to see his reaction. Where is he? Okay, can't even see him, but let's just do this because I need to get in circle anyway. Whoa! Yo, I got sent like. Oh my god, I'm gonna get into storm. No, stop. Oh my god, I just got sent like from. Oh my god, there's someone here. I ran away from him just to survive, not to fight another person. And there's a oh my god, there's a helicopter as well. What did you? Why are you pushing me? Oh my god. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna stay in my comfy hole like a little hobbit. I'm a safe hobbit. Please don't attack me. Attack the other. Safe little hobbit. You know what? The helicopter's not running away, so let me hit this guy. Like a wuss. Oh, he stole my. Who is this the guy that aimbot me before? Okay. Oh god, someone's calling me as well. Oh god. Oh my god. Okay. Let's just fight this guy in the car, I don't care. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, I have a high ground. Oh, yo, this man's actually being. I'm just gonna run. Let them two fight it out. I'm literally not that good talking to fight them. I like the helicopter guy and the aimbot guy fight each other out. I'll just heal her. Okay, I do not know how I'm gonna. That's not what I meant to do. Oh my god, just you two fighting. Oh my god, the aimbot guy won on there. Okay. I'm not sure how I'm gonna finish this. I want to finish it with infinite flying glitch, but I'm not really good at that one. I'm good at the hover, like everyone, but I don't know. Oh, he's healing? Because that guy probably did a lot of damage then. Should I try and do it here? Like the infinite flying glitch or something? Then I'll just be flying the circle. Oh my god, my birds are very loud today. Okay. What should I do? What's the plan? I'll just try and do it right here. So, you do this, I'm pretty sure, and you jump over this and use... Okay. I'm pretty sure you need 2 crash pads for the infinite flying glitch, so right now I can only use, the Iron Man God. I'm sorry I can't use the... Oh god, this guy's actually... I can't speak. Okay. You know what? Okay, okay, I have to get into circle anyway, and if I do this, I can get into circle before he does. And he's gonna be so confused. Imagine just seeing like a random guy. Imagine just seeing someone flying into 2v2. Okay. I don't think. Yeah, he's trapped in circle now. Or in zone. He has to come to me. So this actually can work competitively because you know I'm all the way down here and now he's trapped in there. Okay. But I'm really low, so there's probably no way I'm gonna win this. I probably need to play another game to win this. I mean, is he in zone? Okay, you know what? I'm just shoot through builds, right? Okay. Shit. Yo, wait. Isn't that's not in circle where he is? Yo, I'm actually gonna win. I think. Yo, I actually won using this glitch. Okay, let me go back. I wanna try again. I wanna go back to the crash pad. Oh my god, that was insane. I can't believe I actually won using this glitch. Oh god, wow. Okay, so I went to Battle Lab to just experiment more with, like, you know, the glitches that we learned, that we, like, have done here. So, what I firstly did is I use the porta fort since it has tires, and I decided to see if it worked using the porta fort. So I hovered over, and surprise, it actually surprisingly it did work out. And yeah, so I got sent flying, so you can do that if you want. It's pretty easy to find porta forts, and no one really uses it now because everyone's crafting buildings. And then I attempted to do the infinite flying first, but I don't know, this is the best attempt I got, but for some reason I couldn't do it at all. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to do everything that you know. Drop a like, subscribe, got a win. So yeah, enjoy the video and play the cringe outro. Peace.
White wine and bubble gum. She got that rich girl LA vibe. She whip it good in her daddy's 95. Rough sex on the bedroom floor.
Wolverine. Why does it say Wolverine? What the? What? Okay, no, I'm just gonna boogie bomb it. Oh, it actually is. There's a Wolverine boss? Oh, yay, we're friends. What's up, buddy? Oh god, oh god. Yo, chill. Look, I'm Iron Man. I'm your friend. Look, I'm Storm. Whatever this mythic is. Look, I'm your friend. Chill. Hi, Mr. Wolverine. I'm just Iron Man. Chill. Oh god, he's actually really strong. Oh no, please. No. Yo, when did you get out into the game? How much health do you have? Okay, I'm dead.